Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Natasya Hanim BINTI Muhammad NAWI from Bachelor of Dietetics with metric number 066329, and I'll be presenting about the HACCP system for whole meal toast bread with scrambled egg, a glass of low-fat milk and a half medium banana. For microbiological hazard is referred to the potential presence of harmful microorganisms in food, water, air, or other environments such as bacteria, fungi, viruses, and also parasites. It may cause various illnesses and diseases in humans. Most common is foodborne illnesses. So next, we move on to microbiological critical control point, which is defined as a point or stage in the food production process where specific measures need to be taken to prevent, eliminate or reduce microbiological hazard to an acceptable level. Usually, it includes cooking, pasteurization, packaging and etc. Then for microbiological critical limit is a maximum or minimum value at which a biological, chemical or physical parameter must be well managed at a critical control point to prevent, eliminate or reduce to an acceptable level occurrence of a food safety hazard. It involves temperature, time, water activity, pH and etc. So since I've chosen a breakfast menu for gestational diabetes mellitus patients, so the ingredients are whole meal bread, egg, banana and low-fat milk to complete the whole menu. So move to the next slide, which focuses more on microbiological hazards. Firstly, for whole meal bread, there are 2 gram-negative foodborne pathogenic bacteria such as E. coli. It grows between 10 to 40 degrees Celsius and the optimal temperature is at 37 degrees Celsius. The Salmonella also have been classified as gram-negative pathogenic bacteria, which are killed by the temperature attained in commercial pasteurization. This can be seen by the consumption of inadequately cooked or thawed meat and poultry, eggs, and also unpasteurized milk. Meanwhile, for banana, Vibrio cholera usually grows in salt and fresh water. It can be transmitted through unwashed fruit and vegetables or bad tap water supplies. And last but not least, pathogenic bacteria that contaminate low-fat milk are E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria monocytogenes, and also Staphylococcus aureus. So E. coli and Salmonella are gram-negative bacterium, while Listeria monocytogenes and also Staphylococcus aureus are categorized as gram-positive bacterium. So, as we can see, there are 6 main CCP in the flowchart. All these CCPs most likely involve temperature and time. So as you can see, here are the risk factors for my chosen menu. Food handlers, temperature abuse, storage area and also contaminated water. EHEC must be classified as a serious order of severity because 0157 reservoirs is mainly in cattle, sheep, and it remains infected for long periods. Salmonella and Listeria monocytogenes are major severity as it could be found in the presence of flies, rats, and etc. Also, it appears when the storage temperature doesn't meet the requirement, which should be stored at 4 to 7 degrees Celsius. Lastly, Vibrio cholera is transmitted through unwashed fruits and vegetables under the bad water conditions, and it is known as a minor severity. So lastly, we go for the CCP decision tree, which has been created to identify all the CCP's process. This includes toasting the bread, storing all the ingredients according to their temperature, and also cooking the food. So I hope all this information may be useful for all of you. That's all from me. Thank you.